is a key step in offering a lifeline to individuals with addictions and their families. It enlists all communities in the fight, not just law enforcement and our courts, but our medical and dental communities, our schools, our youth and families, and treatment providers, and does not judge, but offers hope to individuals with the disease of addiction and their loved ones, who for so long have lived in the shadow of shame rather than support. The STEP Act provides greater flexibility for how and when people can enter treatment, helps to reduce the number of opioids in our medicine cabinets and on the street, and allows emergency room physicians with the opportunity to intervene at a critical juncture immediately upon an overdose. The STEP Act provides additional steps in implementing the governor's working group recommendations. 49 of these recommendations have been or in process of implementation. The reality is they will always be in process of implementation until we bend the trend. Specifically with this law, the following additional recommendations are being implemented. Allows for partial fills for the first time in the country. Provides for screening for substance use in schools to identify at-risk youth, known as SBIRT. And we didn't wait for the legislation, but actually allocated $1.1 million from the supplemental budget so that 105 schools across the Commonwealth today are in the process of implementing SBIRT. Increases screening and assessment within the medical system and specifically in our emergency rooms, and limits first-time prescriptions and requires all prescribers to utilize the PMP. In fact, the limit on first-time prescriptions is law as of today, and furthers the educational competencies and expectations of prescribers. Later this year, the Commonwealth will partner with Walgreens for a pharmacy take-back program, again, first in the country. The administration calls on our medical, healthcare, bioscience, insurance companies, and any others who want to come to the table and to develop alternatives to opioids in the treatment and management of pain, both acute and chronic, as we battle this opioid epidemic. It is essential that individuals experiencing pain receive appropriate care and do not become unintended victims in our fight on the opioid epidemic.